There's a trend happening within the Excel space where instructors are printing hundreds of shortcuts on either coffee mugs or mouse pads. And besides the fact that it kind of makes you look like a dork, it just doesn't make sense to me. Shortcuts are supposed to save you time, and looking through a long list just doesn't seem like it's going to get it done for me. So in this video, I'm gonna save you $12, and we're actually gonna save you some time by showing you how you can find a shortcut for pretty much anything within Microsoft Excel. Let's go over a simple example that I'm sure you probably already know, which is copy and paste. If we hover over the copy button on the home screen, you can see on the bottom it shows you Control C, which is in fact the shortcut for copy. Here we see Control V, as you probably already know, that's paste shortcut. But if we hover over Paste Special, here's one you might not know. Control Alt V to get to the Paste Special screen. And then once we're here, you might notice there's some letters that have an underline. And if you just push that letter, that will select that option. So F for formulas, V for values, and T for formats. And this trick works for a lot of concepts. So let's try another one. We want to filter. Highlight the filter button, you'll see Control Shift L. So if we push that, that'll automatically filter it. What else do we have? Find and select, nothing there. But if we go to find, you can see Control F, replace, Control H, go to, Control G. I mean, I don't want to bore you with too many examples, but I think you get the point. Now, there will be certain examples that don't have an obvious shortcut. Merge and Center or Format Painter to being some examples. But as long as it's on your ribbon, then there's a way to get to it. Push Alt, for this instance H for Home, M for Merge and Center, and C for Merge and Center. Now, I know that wasn't exactly fast, but you can push them all in sequence within like a split second. I just did it right there. I don't know if we even caught it or not. One of my favorite ones to use is Alt H E A for clear all instead of just hitting delete. That way you delete the formats as well. And this doesn't just work for the home screen either. You can bring this to anything. So if we wanted to look at the insert screen, instead of doing H, we'd hit N. And if we don't want to be stuck on this tab, you can always hit escape to back out to the previous step. So you can see here now all the tabs are selected. Lastly, if you use the Control key, odds are you could probably figure out what the shortcut you're looking for is. Control A to select all, just like everything else. If you want to save, it's Control S, print, Control P. I mean, some of these are really obvious. If we want to do italics or bold, Control I or Control B. It usually is pretty easy to predict what you're looking for when you're holding Control though. And I'm just curious, is this something that you've already been using, or is this something that you plan on using? If so, drop me a comment, let me know. And of course, as always, I'll see you in the next one.